Good news. The sea rate will be down truly in the coming weeks. President Biden said the Los Angeles and Long Beach ports will work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week to solve the port congestion problem when he addressed the speech on the chain supply today. As we know, Long Beach and Los Angeles are the two biggest ports in the USA. More than 40% cargoes are distributed to other areas in the USA.
Yes.
If we also consider the leading shipping companies like ZIM, Maersk, CMA, COSCO, and others also announced not to increase the shipping sea rate. And also the standard container manufacture capability has also increased a lot from 200,000 to 500,000 per month. So we have full reason to believe that the sea rate will be down very soon.
Okay, thank you, boss.